You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these words correctly in English. British English and American English can be a little bit different. How to pronounce momentum. So you may have two different pronunciations, slightly different pronunciations for the first syllable, as a mo sound or a m sound with just a schwa. So that would make it sound like momentum, momentum, or momentum, momentum. Momentum, the stress is always on the men syllable, right? The second syllable. Momentum or momentum. Both pronunciations are indeed correct. Could you hear the difference? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.